It's always said that we must bless God and never that God must bless us, ne? Right? Or vice versa, ne? It's vice versa because how can God bless you if we have been given free will? The laws of free will dictates that God cannot give you or have you obtain or receive anything that will go against the laws of free will. It is choice, and if I want to move this phone there to the right, I just have. If I want to move the tablet, or if I want to keep it there, then it's my choice. But the next minute, that's like that because of free will. So if God would do anything related to where that doesn't happen for you, your choice, then you have no free will. Then your free will has been taken away, which will never happen. So bless God so that you can be blessed by God.